Hey folks, David at Grow and Eat This. I apologize, we've had a pretty good breeze pickup, so I'll try to not do a lot of talking so that you don't have to listen to the wind. And then when I'm not talking, I can just cut the video out, the sound out completely. This is where we had the broccoli planted earlier that you saw. Put the video up picking that. First time ever for broccoli. Now I want to put cabbages in here, but obviously I got to get all this mess cleaned out. So we're going to start cleaning all this out so we can get this bed, these 3 containers shaped up. Before we go put new stuff in, we got to get some material in here for these next round of vegetables to be able to grow. I've got some 4-3-2 Nature Supreme granulated poultry manure. It's been sitting around and there's no smell at all and the bag's not hot, so I'm not worried about it burning. So we're going to work it in the soil. That'll give us a good start on some fertilizer. Since it's the organic dry manure, it will be a slow release. So it'll be there when the plants are ready. Try and get it covered because the nitrogen will evaporate out of there in the air. So I'm going to get it covered so it'll stay in there. Now to really keep the soil happy, I've sifted some compost. It's still pretty rough. So got a lot of pine bark stuff showing in it. So I'm not going to dig it in, I'm just going to spread it on top, kind of like a mulch. As it continues to break down, it will release nutrients. I believe I brought enough to do 2 big shovelfuls in each bed. The bottom one's a little low in dirt, so we'll add some more. Okay, so we'll smooth that out. Run a bit of a slope, so I keep losing my balance. And this is not flat. Pretty much a drop off behind me. Okay. Now, let's move up here a little tighter. I've got 9 cauliflowers and they are Stonehead. Bought these at Growers Outlet down in Loganville. I'm going to put 2 each. That was easy. Make sure they get down to the dirt, not just in the mulch on the top there. This top one here is going to get 3. Now, one thing we know for sure is that with this warm weather, the caterpillars and the butterflies will show up. And nothing's better than a good fresh round of cabbage. So we're going to get this netting back up. Get these guys protected. This is tulle, T-U-L-L-E. It's a whole lot cheaper than the shade cloth stuff you're used to buying. So we'll get these latched down, give this a drink of water, and my Stonehead cabbages are planted. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.